Hey everyone, today we're going to walk through how to install the Wolf Launcher on your Fire TV device.
So are you tired of all the ads and clutter on your Fire TV's home screen?
Well, Wolf Launcher gives you a clean, ad-free interface. Let's get it installed.
Okay, a super important note first. This launcher isn't updated anymore, so it works best on Fire OS 6 or older.
All right, first things first. You got to install the Downloader app and then enable unknown sources in your settings.
Okay, go ahead and open that Downloader app. We've got a special code to punch in.
Just type this code right into the URL bar. It'll take you to the Troy Point toolbox.
Inside the toolbox, scroll down and find Launch on Boot. Go ahead, download and install that one.
All right, next up, back in the toolbox, find Wolf Launcher itself. Install it the exact same way.
Awesome. Both apps are installed. Now just find and open the Launch on Boot app.
Once you're in, just click through the intro messages. Make sure you toggle both of these on.
Next, you're going to click Select App, and of course, choose Wolf Launcher. Then just hit Test.
And boom, there it is, your brand new ad-free home screen. Looks pretty slick, right?
And you can really make it your own. Change the wallpaper, create sections, even hide apps you don't use.
Now, this is super important. If you want to install, you have to disable it in the settings first.